Hello guys, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes po.
Okay. Good afternoon everyone. Now I'm explaining the selection sort. This is our team. Rubio J. Lamea R, Rojas John Cedric T, Brazil Carlangelo J, Andes Joseph E, Mañez Rangel Carl R. Overview. Selection sort is one of the simplest sorting algorithms, making it a great starting point for students learning about algorithms. Here's how it works. Explained in an easy to understand way. What is selection sort? Selection sort is a simple and intuitive sorting algorithm used to arrange elements in a list or array in a specific order, usually ascending or descending. It works by repeatedly selecting the smallest or largest element from the unsorted part of the list and placing it in its correct position. Step-by-step process. Ito yung gagawin natin mamaya. Step 1. Start with the first element. Assume the first element is the smallest. Compare it with the rest of the list to find the actual smallest element. Step 2. Find the smallest element in the unsorted part. Traverse the remaining unsorted part of the list. Identify the smallest value and its position index. Step 3. Swap the smallest element. Swap the smallest element with the first element of the unsorted part. This positions the element in its correct spot. Sorry for that. Step 4, repeating the process. Move the next element, second position, and repeat the step 1, 2, 3 for the remaining unsorted part. Continue until the entire list is sorted. Key points. Advantages. Simple to implement and understand, making it great learning tool for beginners and does not require additional memory in place sorting, which can be beneficial in the memory limited situations. Disadvantages. Inefficient for large lists due to the O(n) squared time complexity. It performs poorly compared to the other algorithms like quicksort or merge sort, especially with larger datasets. Example of selection sort. Today, tuturuan ko kayo mag-selection sort. So, ito na yon. So, makikita nyo agad dito, meron tayong list of array 52, wait, 52, 95, 18, 78, 12, 60, 34, 6, 83, 32. Okay. Makikita natin sa baba yung mga key value nila. Ito, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Ito yung 10 sila considering the 0 is 1 and 9 is 10. So mapapansin natin dito is unsorted pa sila. Unsorted sila. Kailangan natin i-sort ng ascending order. So ang ginagawa nating algorithm sa selection sort is swapping lang. Swapping ng places between from left to right. So itong 52, ito yung left. 52, ito yung right. Diba? I-sort natin yan. Gets ba? Basically, hanap tayo ng smallest number sa ating array. Kung makikita nyo yung 6, nasa left, pinakamababa. So, yung 6 na yan, isuswap lang natin sa 52. Tapos yung 52, masuswap sa 6. So, basically, yung 6 magiging key value niya ay 0. Ito, yung key value magiging 0, malilipat dito sa 52. Then, yung 52 ay magiging, yung key value niya is 7. 52, 7. So, magiging key value niya 0. Then, yung 52 ay magiging, so, isusulat natin. Nakasulat na yan dyan. So, nakikita niya. Ngayon, mapapalitan na yung 6, maging 6 yung 0. Ito na siya. Sa baba. Ito. Sa baba. So, ang magiging sorted na siya. Ito, 6 na yung 0. magiging 6, 95, 18, 78, 12, 60, 34, 52, 83, 32. So ilalagay na lang natin ulit yung key value niya. Next, ang gagawin natin ngayon, isi-search natin sa pangalawa kung ano ang pinakamababang key value niya na ang mapapansin natin dito is 12, yung pinakamababa. So, papalitan natin yan, yung 95 ng 12. So, magiging key value ng 12 is, magiging key value ng 4 is 95. So, 95. Tapos, ang magiging key value ng 1 is 12. Ayan, malilipat siya dito. So, ito na yung sorted list niya. 6, 12, oh, sorry. 6, 12, 18. Ito na lang yung hindi pa sorted. 18, 78, 95, 60, 34, 52, 83, 32. So, yun napapansin nyo yung 95 napunta sa key value ng 4. So, hahanap ulit tayo ng smallest number. Ang smallest number is 18. So, nandito na siya. Sorted na siya. Hindi na natin siya pwede galawin. Ito na siya. Sorted na siya eh. Hahanap tayo pa ni bagong isa-sort. Okay. Yung pinakamababa. Pinakamababa is 32. So, sorted na rin siya. Hindi na siya pwede galawin. So, ang mangyayari, ito na siya. Ibabox natin Okay, 32. Hahanap ulit tayo ngayon ng pinakamababa. Dito. Ay, sorry. Sorry, sorry. Mali. Ito na pala ito. Nakabox na. So, hahanap ulit tayo ng pinakamababa. Ang napapansin niyo, 34. Yung key value ng 6 is 34. Sa key value ng 4, 95. Isosort natin yan. So, ang magiging value ng 4 ngayon is 34. Ang magiging value ng 6 is 95. So, ito na ang sorting. Ito na yung sorted value niya. Magiging ganito ang sorted value niya. 0, yung key value ng 0 is 6, key value ng 1 is 12, key value ng 2 is 18, key value ng 3 is 32, key value ng 4 is 34. Hahanap ulit tayo ng, repeat the process lang. Hahanap tayo ng pinakamababang value. So, ang nakikita natin sa array 7, ang pinakamababang value is 52. Ang ipapalit natin yan sa 60. Sa array 50, sorry, array 5. Ang value ng array 5 is 60. Isa-swap natin yung dalawang yan. So, ang maging value nilang dalawa is 6. Ang value ng 0, 6, 12, 18, 32, 34, 12. So, nalipat na yung key value ng 7, yung value ng 7 sa 60. Gets? Gets. So, so hahanap ulit tayo ng smallest number. Yung smallest number is 60 sa array 7. So, nakikita natin. Diba? Ang mangyayari, swap natin yan sa 95. Kasi mataas value ng ng 95 sa 60 sa array 6. So, ang mangyayari dyan, swap natin, repeat the process lang, hanggang sa makuha natin yung value nila, real value nila. Ang mangyayari dyan, 6, 12, 18, 32, 34, 52, 60. So, isa na lang ang move na hahanap ulit tayo ng smallest value. Repeat the process lang. Okay, nakikita natin is 78 sa 7 sa 95 sa array 7 and array 9. Ang key value nila ay ng array 7 is 95. Ang value ng array 9 is 78. So, isi-swap natin yan. Ang mangyayari is ganito hanggang sa at maging ganito ang value nila. 6, 12, 18, 32, 32, 34, 52, 60, 78. So, ang nakikita nyo, napunta na sa RA9 yung, yung 95. So, so, hindi na natin pwede galawin to kasi smallest number na yung 83. Nasa sorted place na siya. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Gets ba?
Yes po.
Okay, very good. So now,
Yes, teacher.
so now, wait lang ha, burahin lang natin lahat. Um, do you guys have question about selection chart? Andes Joseph E. Do you have question? Brazil Carl Angela, do you have question?
Wala po, teacher.
Manyes, Ranger Carl, do you have question? Ross John Cedric P. Do you have question?
Done po.
Okay, very good. I hope I hope you guys learned something and this is it. Thank you. Thank you
Thank
for
you,
your time and
teacher.
goodbye.